Hello, welcome to another video for the series Marketing on Social Media 101. And we're going to talk about Facebook groups still. We're continuing with that series here on Facebook groups and setting up and optimizing your Facebook group settings for maximum performance and reach and organic traffic. So, one of the last things we're going to do as far as making our Facebook group safe is that we're going to go in and talk a little bit more about the rest of the items that are in the community settings. So we're in our community Facebook group here that we're trying to manage. So we just created, and we're gonna go down to community settings once again on the left-hand side menu description, right? And we've gone through majority of these. We finished off participation. We finished off our questions. We've done our community rules as well. So let's kind of deep dive into managing discussions. We're gonna quickly go through the edit to regroup, and then we're gonna go down to manage advanced settings, talking about linking your business pages to your Facebook group. All right, so let's just quickly go through managing our discussions. So approve all members posts. We have that on. As you can see here, we've done it before. We're talking about how to sort comments. You can pick how you want the comments to sort it. There's a default. It's automatically show comments in whichever order encourages participation in the group. I'm just going to leave it as a default. Sort posts. Sorry. So we're going to sort posts based upon the most relevant. We're going to leave it there for now. I'll leave the default. Approve edits. Now, so if someone wants to edit a post, I'm actually not. I'm going to change it from the default. I'm going to actually change it to on. Like once again, like if you approve a post, not someone goes in and wants to edit it, right? I want to make sure that is also they don't make any violation on the edits. So I'm going to actually ask that we approve the post even when they're being edited after they've already been approved. All right. So hit that save button there. Default tab. I'm going to leave that as default discussions. And I'm going to leave that there. I'm not going to change that. Default post. I'm going to leave that as this. I'm going to say write something, have your name there, selling a photo. So, and then post shortcuts. You got your live, your photo, and your poll. I'm not going to change that at all. And then post formats, not going to change that. And then anonymous posting, right? So we're not going to allow anonymous posting. Anonymous posting, basically, your name, author's name doesn't need to show up. So we're not going to do that. We're going to keep that off in this case. So that which is the default. All right, so that is managing our discussions and add it to the group. These are post formats, ask for recommendations. So we want to have that there where someone can ask for recommendations. I think that's good. Events, files, GIF, live videos, poll, reels, and then also badges. So we're going to keep those there for now. I'm not going to make a change, and we're going to do other updates later. But for now, to get ourselves started, we're making our Facebook group safe once again so that we can have our first content post posted into our Facebook group to drive traffic. All right, now we have liked pages. So if you want to manage advanced settings here, you want to actually get your pages. You want to have your business page, be an administrator or moderator for your Facebook group. You can do that by going here. You click on the pencil icon, and then you have a list of your pages that you can link to. And all you gotta do is click the link on those pages, and then therefore you'll now be a linked page. So that's all you need to do. If you don't have a page, a business page, you want to create one, you just go ahead and create new linked page. All right, so that's all you have to do for now. So thank you. So I'm going to show you here. Just click the link there, and then you just click link, and then it'll be a link page to this group. And so now you have a link page to the group. So now that page is linked. So that's what we have so far. So thank you so much for going through this video series for me. So in our next video series, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the content types that you need to post in your Facebook groups to help drive that organic traffic to your group. All right, thanks so much. If you like this video, subscribe it. Like the series, share it all. Share all the videos. Share the playlist, and like, subscribe. Leave in the comments that you have any questions you may have, and then we'll respond to them. Thank you so much. God bless you, and see you in the next video.